Alrighty, so today we are cooking garlic herb shrimp. I'm going to be cooking them in a cast iron skillet just because I love cast iron. I love the flavor it gives off. Definitely when you're using oil and butter recipes, it just adds more flavor on top. You can use any type of skillet. Honestly, I like using woks as well. Woks are awesome for pan frying shrimp. So we're going to just heat up your butter. I'm using 6 tablespoons of butter, and just want to heat it on a medium heat until it starts to foam. So we're almost there. It takes approximately about 30 seconds or so. Since we're almost there, I'm going to add in my garlic. I have 3 minced cloves of garlic. Stir that around, let your garlic kind of get a little browned. But if you see the butter starting to kind of foam up, that's about perfect peak temperature to start adding in your shrimp. So, just going to give this a couple good little stirs. Now I'm going to add in 2 pounds of shrimp. Make sure they're peeled and all the tails and shells are off of it. And yes, I'm realizing this pan might be a little small for 2 pounds of shrimp, but it'll be okay. And this is optional. I'm going to take a couple of these red chilies and crush them up and add them in as well. There we go. I was slightly unprepared. It'd probably be best to have this already crushed up beforehand. But this was a last minute add on my part. You can also use red chili pepper flakes, or you can do what I did as well. Just crush up some chili peppers. Whew. They didn't want to stay in the pan. See some chunks of garlic over there on the side. Flip that back over on top of the shrimps. Alright, in today's video we are going to make a homemade Alfredo sauce. Very simple and delicious. So we're starting out with a half a cup of melted butter over a medium-high heat. Add in some freshly minced garlic. We're also going to add in 3/4 tablespoon of garlic powder. Kind of let it cook and simmer until the garlic is very aromatic, opening up and breaking down the cells of your freshly minced garlic. We're also going to add a half teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. Half teaspoon of freshly ground kosher salt. Now we're going to slowly stir in a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. You're going to want to keep gently stirring while bringing to a simmer. now your heavy cream is to a nice simmer. We're gonna start adding in we'll want to add about 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I don't have a block, so I'm just using grated cheese. You can use either grated or the finely sliced. I don't recommend using a granulated like in the jars, just because you won't get that nice, smooth and creamy texture that you're looking for. It'll be a little bit more grainy. Now we're going to reduce the heat to just a medium and let simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes to let this thicken up. Add a hint more black pepper just because I think it needs it. And just to add a little bit of love, some red chili. The chili is strictly optional. Sides really well, that way it doesn't cake and burn on the sides. Now the sauce is nice and thick and ready to add your fettuccine or your linguine.